What's that guy doing? Sounds like a robot. Something in the way. Are you recording? Welcome back to King's Wild Outdoors. Today we're gonna fly fish on the lake. See, so we're gonna go over here and fish right next to these ducks. Look at those ducks. All right.
No, it's
It's
recording.
also duck season right now. Look at these geese flying over. Wow. I think I got one.
No, they're offline.
Anyways,
Oh no, stepping on your glasses.
those are $900 trillion.
DeWalt's?
DeWalt
Not the
safety
DeWalt's.
glasses.
It looks like, were they all chewed up on one side?
Yeah, I was chewing on them.
Oh, nice.
All right, with these little bugs. So, get the line out. We're just doing, heard that? We're just doing little pulls. Little tiny pulls, getting this little bug to dog around. With this fly line, I'm watching it as if it's a bobber. I'm seeing when the line takes off, and that's when I'll actually hook it. Oh, that's a bunch of them.
Do you know how to tie that?
No, I forgot. All right, let's start her up. Starting engine. Oh, wait. Trolling motor. Starting your engine. See that? I didn't have to fish that back there before. See the yellowish?
Look at all those chickens.
Those are them coots. Purple meat from the, like the, it's purple.
Purple meat?
Yeah, it's like real purpley looking. They don't taste very good.
They look cool though.
They do look cool. I shot a bunch of them last year. They look cool, but they don't care. You could get this close to them up there and you just spook them up and blow them out of the sky. It's pretty crazy if you ask me. Ask me right now.
Is it crazy?
Yeah. Probably cost maybe anywhere from $200 to $300 a year to pay for that whole thing. I just don't know how you.
I'm
make
gonna go
that
buy
kind of
3.
money. You make that kind of money? I don't barely
$200 or $300
make $10
a
a year.
Yeah, I could afford that.
I barely make $20 a day. That equals 20 times 365, 648.
I like that math.
I'm gonna go along the cerebral cortex. Oh, you saw that little thing jump right there?
No.
Yeah, well, there was one. Look, there's little minnows. The wind slowly blows them over to one direction. The wind is funneling this way. So they do this.
And the fish are trying to be aerodynamic.
Yeah, so if they don't fly, that's why I said if the bird, whoa, almost fell there.
They carry him around, right?
No, they actually do. I've seen where I was in the middle of the field and there'd be some little pocket of water and there's little minnows in it. And that's a real thing. The fish will actually pick them up and go store them in these little water pockets. And they have food. I think maybe that's either that or maybe the embryo of the...
You think birds are smart like that?
What's an embryo? I don't know what that is, but I've heard it. But then they probably bring, I don't know. Birds, they're talking to the birds and said, hey, can you carry me a little further? You know? This is it's not a real fishing video. I hope no one watches this and thinks I'm serious. But look,
Isn't that kind of the point though?
What, to not be serious?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure there's some people out there that are very serious.
Well, doesn't that just get you more views?
Being serious?
No.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you're serious.
You know what's really crazy? My
People
pole is
will want to
broken.
watch it anyways, right?
I literally have broke my fly rod reel.
You broke it?
Yeah, it keeps going through the... See when those loops are happening because I don't wrap it up right? It goes through this gap right here. Watch, I could pull it apart and then it gets re-wrapped around. Uh-oh, we're getting close here.
Why don't you just use mine?
Well, yours is the same exact one, and with the way I'd use all of everything I own, it'll probably end up like...
You'll break mine too.
Yeah. I have x-ray vision.
Can you smell them?
Yeah. Watch right here. Look, if I scan the area... Oh, I'm looking. There's one. Right there. Watch.
I'm watching.
Is it still watching?
Yeah.
Alright.
That was a big one.
Yeah, no, I told him, hold on, let me get a better angle. I was catching them pretty good yesterday. That's why I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna come out today and it'd be fine. It's not fine. See, that's not the trolling motor, that's the wind. It's telling me, hey, you need to go this way. I've put the fish there. And then you gotta go. You should listen. Got plenty of stick fish before too.
Is that? I've never heard of that kind of fish.
Yeah, so they look like sticks, but
they're actually fish.
yeah, and their camouflage is just so good that you would think it's a tree branch.
Like those bugs that look like leaves.
Exactly.
But it's a fish.
Yeah, they're fish. So how do you recover? So whenever you hit the fly line on your boat like this, you just do that really hard. See? If you do it at the right angle, it unravels off of everything without getting the hook in your seat, your leg, the back of your earlobe, or your neck,
partner.
or your fishing partner. Professional. You know troll us?
No.
Okay. What's that guy doing? Sounds like a robot.
What is that?
It sounds like a didgeridoo, but it's a little microphone.
Didgeridoo. Imagine getting a didgeridoo for Christmas.
Maybe we could talk to him.
He got scared.
Yeah.
He couldn't handle it.
He couldn't handle it.
No, wait, he's coming back.
Oh, he is. I wonder if that picks it up.
I kind of hope it does.
The kid's going crazy with it, though. He's really going crazy.
Is he singing for his dogs or something?
I
Or
think so. While they're pooping. He's like, poop, 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 poop. I do that.
you cheer him on?
Yeah. Yep. I knew about time I
He's hooked
catch
up. He's
something.
hooked up.
Keep the rod tip low.
Yeah, low, so it doesn't jump.
See, this is exactly what I was talking about. Oh,
What species
flip
is
it in. So this is stickfish, Arnonius Bartonius maximus. So that is the scientific name. I know my fish.
This has got to be a lake record.
Yeah, I know. It's so he's two-part. He's half male, half woman. So you could actually split him like that.
That doesn't
now-
hurt it?
No. So this actually allows them to breed again, since he was both species.
So you're a conservationist now?
Yeah. So what? Got some splooge on me. Anyways, so it's getting. See, you can get. They secrete all you'd have to do is throw them back. So they're actually land and water breathing animals.
Yeah, but you didn't return it to its natural habitat.
So the male goes in the tree, female goes on the water.
Oh, that makes sense.
See?
And then the male goes into the water to breed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I catch them all the time. So a lot of people do. They just don't know their species.
Are they good to eat or no?
I wouldn't recommend it.
What kind of turtles are those?
Shellback.
Shellback?
Yeah. Shellback crossbred.
What are they crossbred with?
Turtle and shellback.
Snuck that in there.
A little bit of backlash.
Did you get hooked up?
Oh. My friend Wyatt, and Jay Aisha, they know about that. They use those all the time. You catch all their fish on it. Where are we going? That way. I'm soaked right now. It's a little wet.
We got the hog brusher, jack and a hammer.
We're doing it now. Apparently this is the method. I've bought like 10 of these and I never used them.
You've never once fished with a jackhammer?
I don't think so.
What are you buying them for?
I always caught them because everyone was using them, but I always caught fish just, on the normal stuff. Whoops. Why haven't I caught anything, Tanner? Tanner Bemis. Oh, I'm all the way to the back. Come on. What? No way.
Not the jackhammer.
Not the jackhammer. Who puts this stuff under their docks?
Are you gonna shoot it down in there?
Yep. This is a technique only professionals can do. Turning this rod and reel into a rocket ship. We're gonna slide it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, nothing happened. And I forgot to tighten the bail on it, so I actually can't even
You can't get the rod back?
get the rod back. Actually, that just worked like that. We're actually broke free.
That worked?
We're only tangled. Yeah, it did work, but not right off. See, we only have 300,000 feet of line.
So you take it all back? You meant to do every bit of that, right?
Yep. See, we're gonna cast right back in the same spot to hopefully have to do it again. What?
Uh-oh.
Alright, we're gonna have to do it again.
Rocket ship round 2. What's this technique actually called? It's called something.
Zipline effect.
Zip line? You're gonna have to get a little further away from the dock, huh?
Nope.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Come back.
He's falling in.
My pole. It's not even my pole. I think it's David's. Look. Crisis avoided. But now, See, not even that big of a mess, right? Worth $5. This is okay. All you have to do is kind of pull it apart.
Just get out some scissors.
No.
I don't know. That's not looking so good.
No, that's good. See? Got that knot. See this here? Not, it's not tangled. Like, it looks like it is. See? But it's not. See? See? Alright, we're done. So that is a short video of how to not catch any fish on the lake. It's pretty hard to do. We did catch 2 stick fish.
Sometimes you like to challenge yourself and see how many fish you don't catch.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. He's so strong, he just broke 80-pound test by hand.
With my hand. Look.
It wasn't even frayed to begin with.
Yep. Was
It's not old
frayed.
line.
Not old line. Look, see? Wait.
Wait, where's the jackhammer? Oh, it's still in the water.
And that's how you don't catch any fish all day. Now you pack up and go home. The end.